1.
Hi, Jack.
Hi,
Elise. From math class.
oh, of course. How are you, Denise?
Actually, it's Elise. Elise.
Oh, Elise. Sorry about that.
2. Hey, Sarah. How are you?
Oh, hi. I'm sorry, I've forgotten your name.
It's Mick.
Oh, that's right, Nick.
Actually, it's Mick with an M. M-I-C-K.
Mick, got it. So, Mick, are you going to the gym this weekend?
3.
Mike. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Hannah. We met at Ellie's party.
Oh, right. How are you doing, Anna?
Pretty good. Actually, my name's Hannah, not Anna. Hannah.
4. Excuse me. Don't I know you from somewhere?
I think so. You look familiar. Do you go to Eastern University?
No, I don't. Wait a minute. Don't we wait at the same bus stop every morning?
Oh, that's right. But I'm always too tired to talk. My name's Stacy, by the way.
Hi, Stacy. I'm Devin.
Nice to meet you, Evan.
Oh, actually, it's Devon. D-E-V-O-N.
5.
Excuse me, aren't you Beth Filio's son? Mike, right?
Yes, I am. Actually, it's Ike. No M, just I-K-E.
Oh, Ike. Sorry about that. I'm Liz Jones. I work with your mother.
Oh, of course. Good to see you again, Miss Jones.
6.
Hi, Tony. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you. I'm sorry, I should know your name.
Tandy. I work in the accounting department.
Oh, that's right. How have you been, Mandy?
Actually, it's Tandy. Tandy. It's an unusual name, I know.